In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Google on the Nintendo Switch 2. All you need to do is go to your system settings, and then you will navigate to Internet. Click on Internet settings, and here you will have to select the network which you are connected to. So I'm going to click on my network here, and then change settings. Once you click on change settings, you want to scroll down until you see the option for DNS settings, and you will set this to manual. Now change the primary DNS to this 045.142.142.122. Click on OK and then save. Now you will need to connect to this network again, so give it some time here. I'm going to click on it and connect to this network. It should tell us that registration is required to use this network. That's fine. Go back, and it's gonna load these pages, and you can see compact access to Google, and you just want to click on Google here. Once you click on Google, you will be able to see it here on the Nintendo Switch 2, and you can use it. For example, I'm going to search for Roblox. Done. OK, search, and it might not be supported, but you can use the lighter version for this one right here, CSE. It's going to be the light version, and you can search for Roblox here, like so. Done. OK, and as you can see, or you might not be able to see, now you can see this works, and I can load websites. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Let me just show you that this works. Okay. I'll see you next time. Bye.